Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today Telangana Board of Intermediate has released exam timetable for first year students who was provisionally promoted to second year with following certain restrictions of COVID-19. The exams will be held from October 25th. So you can see here Telangana Intermediate first year exam schedule of 2020-2021 released. Hyderabad, the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education on Friday announced that the first year inter examination of 2020 to 2021 academic year will be conducted from October 25th, 2021. So the board, which had earlier promoted students of the intermediate first year to second year without conducting public examination due to the pandemic, on Friday has announced the schedule of examinations. Back then, the government of Telangana announced the examination will be held whenever the situation becomes possible at the future date, and the schedule will be announced with further exams. The education minister has now permitted the board to hold the intermediate public examination from 25th of October 2021 for regular first year students of academic year 2020 to 2021 who are now studying in the second year. So this is the timetable for those who have already promoted to second year but they are conducting for them as first year exams. The board said that the examination will be conducted as per the earlier announced 70% syllabus. So you are having only 70% syllabus. They will be conducting in the morning session from 9 to 12. So the time they have mentioned is from 9 to 12 and they have mentioned this 70% syllabus. 70% syllabus, and only vaccinated person will be preferred while appointing. For the examiner they will prefer as vaccinated person. The board said that the COVID-19 protocols will be followed at every exam center, and each center will have only or 2 isolation rooms for allotting the students suffering from suspected symptoms. If anyone is having suspected symptoms of COVID-19, then they will be isolated and they will conducting the exam. Then the staff nurse will be appointed in the center throughout the exam day for isolated person. As per the schedule released, in inter first year exams will be conducting between October 25, 2021 and November 2nd, 2021. The dates announced are applicable to vocational students as well. However, the board will be releasing a vocational course timetable separately. This is the timetable you can see here. First year theory examination, tentative timetable for first year theory examinations. Date and day they have mentioned is on Monday. So the exam is starting from 25th of October. The first exam is part 2, that is second language paper 1. Then on Tuesday you are having on 26th of October, that is Tuesday, you are having part 1 English paper 1. And on Wednesday 27th of October you are having mathematics paper 1 if you are MPC student. If you are BPC student, you are having botany paper 1, political science paper 1. And on Thursday 28th of October you are having mathematics paper for MP student and zoology paper 1, history paper 1. On Friday 29th of October 2021 you are having physics paper 1, or if you are CC student you are having economic paper 1. On Saturday 30th of October you are having chemistry paper 1 and commerce paper 1. On Monday 1st of November you are having public administration paper 1 or bridge course maths paper 1 for BPC students. Tuesday 2nd of November you are having modern language paper 1 and geography paper 1. So this is the timetable for first year theory examination, first year students who were provisionally promoted to second year. So this is the timetable for those students. So hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.